Hey everybody, today we are going to talk about the valve core quick removal for HVAC. If you are a do-it-yourselfer or a weekend warrior, you don't have the money to spend on a recovery machine, which I don't blame you because they're quite expensive. These things are awesome for replacing the Schrader valve on your AC. You pop it on right here. You take this piece here, slide it down on the Schrader valve. You loosen it up. Basically, what you do is turn the handle here, loosen it up. You pull it up. You turn the valve off right here. You go ahead and you take this little piece here off, pop it out, to put the new Schrader valve in it, put it back in, screw it back on, make sure you're a little bit tight there with your fingers, open your valve back up, push it back down, then you tighten your Schrader valve up. And so much more simpler for replacing a Schrader valve on your air conditioner of your truck, car, whatever it may be, than having to do a vacuum system on it and so on. Set of two, your high and low, and a pack of standard Schrader valves is $20. I'll post a link in the description for it. Please sub to the channel, leave a message or a comment, whatever it may be. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to do these little videos that will help somebody. $20, you change the Schrader valve. Versus hundreds, take it to a shop. Hundreds for a vacuum system, and a lot of times the only thing that's wrong with your HVAC and you're losing Freon is because that you got a bad Schrader valve. All right, later folks.